Hello, Jerry Hoffman and Sleepy Hollow friends. Miss Darcy here. And I thought since it's starting to get nice outside, you might be able to go outside and play with some water if you didn't want to do it inside in your bathtub. So Miss Darcy has a container of water here. Now, I colored my water blue with some food coloring, but you don't have to color yours. I made mine blue so then you can see it better. So in my container, what I'm going to do is I have some other containers of different sizes. Some small, a medium one, and then a big one. And I have different measuring scoopers of different sizes. And I have some spoons too that are different sizes. So what you can do with your water is you can count and measure and scoop up the water and see how many it takes to fill up your bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, it's getting pretty full. 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's almost full to the top. 12. So it took 12 of these to get my water all the way to the top of my bowl. And then when you're all done, you can dump it back out. And you can try out different ways too. And if you spill the water while you're outside, so it's okay. All right, well maybe you want to take one of your other containers and you can count and see how many little spoons would be to fill that up. Okay, we're not going to count all these to see what this one does, but because it will take us a longer time, because this little scooper is smaller than our other one. Our other one was bigger. So you could count and see how many spoons it would take to fill up this one. Okay, and so then Miss Darcy has her smallest container. And I have a different scoop like this that I can scoop up the water and put it in. And I can count this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, oh, almost 11. I think it's going to be 12 again. 12. Oh, all the way to the top. And so that was that scooper. And then you can dump the water back out into your container. And I have different size spoons. So I have this really itty bitty one. And then you can put some water in there and see, oh, that barely made a little drop in there. So that one would take a long time to fill up. Or you could even play with your little cups and try to put water in them and fill them up and see. And use your different scoopers. And you can pour the water back and forth to see, could I fit all the water in here? Oh, no, because it's overflowing. Because this one is bigger than this scooper. And so you can put it in there and see how many scoops. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoopers to fill up this one. Okay, and so you can have fun playing with your scoops and scooping up the water and dumping it and seeing how many go into which bowl or how many it will take to fill it up. You could even use your containers if you didn't want to use those other scoopers. You could fill up the container and pour it in and see. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Okay, it only took 3 of these to fill this bowl, and then you can pour the water back out and make like a waterfall. And if you wanted to make it even more fun, you can put in a little dish soap in there and make bubbles. And then you could really get it going when you're making your waterfalls. And you can just experiment back and forth with different containers of different sizes. So I hope that you had fun watching this video with me, of me doing these things with these different containers for water fun outside. And even though we can't be at school yet to play with our friends and see our teachers and go to our playground, I want you to know that we're thinking about you and we love you and we miss you and we can't wait to get back to school. But in the meantime, you can still have fun at home with water play. Bye for now.